Gravity. It's the invisible glue holding our universe together. The same force that pulls an apple from a tree is what holds the moon in its orbit, a realization that struck Isaac Newton in the 1660s. He figured out that every object with mass pulls on every other. The two key factors, mass and distance. More mass means a stronger pull. That's why the massive sun dictates Earth's path. And as objects get further apart, that pull gets dramatically weaker. Double the distance, and the force drops to just a quarter of its strength. This brings up a common mix-up, mass versus weight. Your mass is the amount of stuff you're made of. It's constant, measured in kilograms, whether you're on Earth or Mars. Your weight, however, is the force of gravity pulling on that mass. It changes. On the moon, with only 1/6 of Earth's gravity, you'd weigh 6 times less, but you'd still be the same you. So how does the moon stay up? The secret is it's always falling. An orbit is the perfect balance between gravity pulling an object in and its own forward momentum trying to fly straight. It falls around the Earth, constantly missing it. This is why astronauts feel weightless. They aren't floating. They and their space station are in a constant state of free fall together. But gravity can get extreme. When a giant star dies, it can collapse into a point of infinite density, a black hole. Its gravity is so intense that it creates a boundary called the event horizon. Cross it, and there's no escape, not even for light. If you fell in feet first, the gravity at your feet would be so much stronger than at your head, you'd be stretched apart like spaghetti. From ocean tides to the structure of entire galaxies, gravity is the silent architect. It's a force of connection, sculpting everything from our own weight to the inescapable mystery of a black hole. It's not just pulling us down, it's holding our cosmos together.